Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited to be showing you the new Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Casella. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package, and here's a close-up of the inside cap construction. The lace is HD and it has 3 combs and an elastic band to help secure the unit. The color is the RFF2/Fudge Sunday. Now to start, I'm clipping the hair to the back to get it out of the way before we work on the lace. Next, I'll cut the lace into sections. Cutting the lace in sections helps the unit lay flatter, making it easier to glue down without any lifting. I'll then use my adhesive spray to trace over the hairline, making sure to get an even layer. I'll take my elastic band and wrap it around my hairline to keep everything in place while I blow dry to melt the lace into my skin. And I usually use medium heat for this step. While the lace is setting, let's move on to styling. First, I'm going over the parting space with my favorite wax stick to tame away any flyaways and to get a sleeker look. I'll then take my hot comb and press it down as flat as possible to really define the parting. I'll be going over the parting space a few times to really make sure it's nice and smooth. Next, let's work on the edges. I'll use my rat tail comb to carve out the edges along the hairline, and then I'll tweeze the hair to my liking. If you prefer dramatic baby hair, you can pluck less, or if you want a more natural look, you can pluck more. It's all about your preference. Once I'm happy with the amount of baby hair, I'll then take out my eyebrow razor to cut them on an angle, which gives a softer, more feathered look. Now guys, tell me, do you love a dramatic baby hair or do you prefer to skip it? Let me know down in the comment section below. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I'm using the same eyebrow razor to trim it off in a zigzag motion, which gives it a more natural and jagged look. This way, the lace doesn't look too harsh against the skin. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking of all the things that we did. You did something. But shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side. Cutting all ties with them other guys. I'll then take my Got2b gel and edge brush to lay my edges. I didn't do the edges on the other side of my face because I figured it wasn't going to be showing, so why bother, doing it? I mean, to each their own. It's up to you. It's up to your preference. But I feel like if nobody's going to see that side, why even, bother? But that's just me.
between us. Be sure you 10 toes down before I pull out this card. The only thing that's coming beside me at the situation.
I am then going to be brushing out the hair using a comb or a brush. It's up to you. I'm going to be brushing it from the bottom to the top to get rid of any tangles. Guys, I just love the layers in this unit and the ombre color illusion. It just complements the style very well, and I personally feel like it looks great against my skin tone. I don't know about y'all, but look at y'all. Look at this curls. Look at this layer, and it's just laying so well on my face, and I feel like it frames my face very, very well. Now to blend the lace seamlessly with my skin, I'm taking my Ruby Kisses in shade 16 on a brush and applying it right along the edges of the lace. This helps to hide any noticeable lines and makes the lace look like scalp. To finish styling, I'll use some spritz and the brush side of my edge brush to mold the front of the bangs for a sleek, polished look. Once that's done, I'll take my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the lightest shade that I have, which I believe is at 11, to define the parting space and make it look like scalp. This is the final look. The layers in this unit are stunning. The ombre effect is just so flattering and it complements my skin so well. If you're a fan of colored units, this style comes in a variety of colors, so there's something for everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.